opening a box that Cabi sent me of their most giftable items for the holiday season. I'm really excited about these because they're all available on Zulily.com, which is great if you're trying to do your holiday shopping and stay socially distant, if you don't want to deal with the malls, if you just want to order online, it's going to be a great option for you. So let's start with the first item. This is cute already. So it comes with a scarf with these faux fur little balls at the end. So cute. This is something I might gift my mother. You know, if she doesn't see this video, then maybe I'll just keep it for myself because that could be fun. A great option for a gift, and since it has 2 pieces, it'll make your friends and family feel like you got them even more because 2 pieces came with it. This is their long faux fur scarf, but it also has pockets, and I mean, what girl doesn't want pockets in their outfit? Because I think sometimes scarves and things to like finish off an outfit, when we're buying for ourselves, we don't necessarily purchase those things because we don't need them as much, but that's why it's gonna be a really great gift for your girlfriend. You can really wear this with just about anything, and I'm about ready to wear it right now, actually. And this one has fringe on it as well. Always a really nice touch to dress up, you know, an outfit that you have with jeans. Shawls are also kind of, to me, similar to scarves in that they're a really great gift that people love to receive, and you can just wear them with just about anything. So it's really soft as well, and I'm just really excited to wear this. Again, I know I mentioned earlier that first thing I wanted to give my mother, but this one I know she would love. She's just like me and loves gray and anything that's cozy for the fall, so I'm really hoping she doesn't see this so that I can keep it. All right, so these look like they are their arm warmers, but inside they actually have a little cuff, so you can put it on your hand and kind of an extra little warmth for your hand during the winter. The way I would style these is I would probably wear them under like a jean jacket or something, because it comes out a little bit, and so it's just gonna give a little extra something to a casual outfit. You could also wear them with maybe like a little black dress at a holiday party. So this is gonna be another great gift for a friend, I think. So let's move on to the jewelry. Each of their boxes always comes like this, so you don't have to even wrap something because it already has a ribbon on it. This first one is a little cuff faux leather bracelet, and I just think this is really cute because it's a little bit edgier, but it's still classy because it has the gold. This next one, this is going to be their pyramid necklace. It's really, really cute, and it's one of those little bit longer necklaces, so I'd actually probably wear it with something like I'm wearing today, something a little bit casual, but could be dressed up with a long necklace like this. Kind of an easy go-to for a gift, so I would definitely recommend this one. So let's go to the next one. These are Cabi's, I think they're called the etc. straps. You can wear them on top of your shoes. So they're kind of meant to just be an extra little detail, a little nuance in your outfit to kind of take it up to the next level. Layer them on your wrist. I really like the leopard print pattern. I'm big on that, and I think it'll be really great, maybe a casual jean, something like that. Okay, so here is the next item. This next one is going to be a necklace. I really, really love the pearls mixed with these fringe tassels. Would be great, again, for a holiday party, I think. I think the tassels are a little bit festive, but at the same time, you could wear them, I think, with like a leather jacket would be really cute, maybe a black leather jacket to, you know, spice up your just everyday look as well. So this is kind of a great all-around fashion piece of jewelry to kind of make a statement. Okay, here's the final piece. So this is the Cameo Necklace, and this would be a great gift for maybe a family member, just because cameos are kind of those timeless pieces that everyone, I think, kind of connects to in a different way. You know, you've all had that family member who's had a cameo. My grandmother had some cameos, and they were very special to me, so that just kind of brings me back when I see something like this piece. And so that would be a really special gift for someone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really enjoyed going through all these gift ideas with you. If you're like me and you haven't started your holiday shopping yet, I hope this gave you some ideas. Happy Christmas shopping! Bye!